me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use dark edge control to make your edges appear fuller. You can also use dark edge control like if you have a bald spot or something and you just want to fill it. So yeah, that's what today's video is about. I know that there's a couple brands that sell dark edge control. Like off the top of my head, I know Cream of Nature has one. If you just go to your local beauty supply store and ask for it, they should have at least some brands, like even an off brand is okay. But yeah, they're really easy to find actually. Today, the one that I'm going to be using is this Eben 24 colored edges in the color Jet Black. I know that they have Jet Black, Natural Black, and Dark Brown, but I dyed my hair Jet Black and my locks are the color 1, which is Jet Black, so I got Jet Black. I think this was like $4 and I only use a very little bit every time that I use it because if you use too much, it will look fake. So this should last, you know, for a while. So this is what it looks like. And if I put it on my finger, this is what it looks like. So you see it's very, very pigmented, you see? And when I first got it, the way that I was using it, I was just applying it to my hair and using it like as edge control. But I love Eben edge control. I honestly think it is one of the best edge controls out there. But I feel like these colored ones, I don't know if it's because it has color in it or what, but it just doesn't hold the same as their regular edge controls. So what I do now is I lay my edges and then go over my edges with a layer of this black one to fill it, because I put it on, like when I use it regular by itself, I put it on and it makes the edges look fuller, but they don't lay. So now I just lay them and then apply the color. So like I said, my edges are already laid. So what I'm just gonna do is dip my finger in here and just apply a little bit. It's better to start with a little bit and add more so that you don't put too much and then you're like, oh my God, what do I do? And then I just like take my little toothbrush and just brush it in with my edges. You see? I'm gonna zoom in. And then once I'm done, oh, as you guys see, like I like followed my edges with like my finger, but like my fingers, you can see that there's a little bit of black on there, but like it literally just wipes right off. And then also when I'm done, I just take like something and then I wipe off any excess that I feel like makes it look too like, what's going on? So I don't know if you guys can tell much of a difference, but my edges definitely look a lot fuller. Like I said, this edge control doesn't have a great hold, so I feel like honestly it like took away some of the hold from like the fact that my edges was already laid. What I also use this for is sometimes like if the edge control that I'm using makes my hair like white, like I don't know if you guys can see this white part. This is on my scalp, so I'm gonna not do it right here, but sometimes like when I lay my edges and the white gets like right here on my hair, like right under the lock, I'll like just take some and then just like use that to cover the white. I did it a little bit, but I don't want to do it too much like where it's not my hair, because then it'll really look fake. Yeah, see? And then I don't feel like my edges need to be laid perfectly when I have locks, because I feel like locks are one of those styles that don't need to be perfect. So this is cool with me. And also I like doing this when I have these like protective styles, because I don't feel like I have sparse or thin edges, but like when I have so much hair, I want to have a little, what appears to be like a little bit more baby hair to kind of compensate. Like just imagine me having all this hair but my edges are thin. Like I just feel like that looks weird. So that's why I do this now, especially because I have the locks, because I just feel like it all flows. It makes sense. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. That's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, you could use this for bald spots, thinning edges, if you want to darken your edges, whatever. It comes in different colors. I'm not sure the range of the colors because usually when I go to a beauty supply store, I only see dark brown and black. So like if you're a redhead or something, I don't know what is the range, to be honest. But yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, you know, just comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.